Are we all ready?
Yes.
We'll go down then. We're a bit late, the taxi should be here and it's been waiting for some time now. We're on our way to Lake Toba. I think it's the largest lake. But along the way we're going to stop at this second tallest waterfall in Indonesia, Sipiso Piso. It's a 120-meter single plunge waterfall, and we'll be going to head down into the foot of the fall. Sipiso Piso Waterfall is about a 1.5 hour drive from Berastagi, which is where we're staying. We paid the taxi driver 650,000 IDR today, which is about $43. And this will include a stop at Sipiso Piso Waterfall, and then later on we will be dropped off for the ferry, so we'll go on to Sumatra Island, which is the island in the middle of Lake Toba. Jacqueline is going to have a surprise because there's monkeys here and she doesn't really like them. Hopefully they're not aggressive.
Okay, I'm going very slow because the stairs are almost all broken. Whereas James is already. James is just gone.
This thing is huge!
I'm all wet now. Completely wet. Wet and happy.
You want a towel to dry yourself off? Sipiso Piso, the massive cascade near Lake Toba.
This is so powerful!
One, two, three.
Yes. There is over 600 steps to get to the waterfall. But it's so worth it.
These wonky roads are making me a bit bad. Thank you then. So now we've just arrived in Parapat. From here we'll get a ferry onto Sumatra Island. We're the only ones on the ferry. The schedule of the ferry is every hour, so we just need to wait and see at what time this one will depart.
We just arrived in Sumatra and there is definitely an island vibe.
Pizza and lobster. Good combination, I think. Okay, I think this place should do for the next few days. Nice garden. Old houses, or maybe that is an old house. Jacqueline.
Can we stay here for 1 month? 1 month?
Should we stay here for 1 month?